Hey guys, if you are using an iPhone device and you want to basically download videos on Facebook, how do you necessarily do so if you don't really have that feature available to you right away? Well, that feature is going to be all the way available if you basically just click on your account that you want to use. In this case, I want to go ahead and log out of this current account and go ahead and log into this account right here. And of course, I want to go ahead also and search for a specific video that I want to download on my device. In this case, I do have this video right here that I want to download, or maybe just choose another relevant video that I want to download, which is much more better right here. Okay, so basically I do have this video on here that I want to basically download, and since I want to download this video on my iPhone device, good news for those iPhone users, because you could go ahead and download Facebook videos on your devices if you just go ahead and, well, you can't necessarily download it directly, but since you are an iPhone user, once you head over to your control centers, guys, you can actually access this feature wherein you guys could record your screens. Now, if you click on this button right here, this is going to start recording your screens. It's going to basically count down from 3, 2, all the way to 1. And what that'll do, obviously, is it'll allow you to basically record videos and download those videos onto your Photos app. So basically, once you are done recording, you can go ahead and now proceed with watching the whole video. And once you're done watching the whole video, of course, click onto the record button again, and that should basically save that video on your device from Facebook. And that's all to this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.